Unfortunately, just a couple days ago, there was a failed crash in southern China. This vehicle was filmed accelerating out of control for roughly 1 mile, then ended up crashing. This crash would result in 2 deaths and 3 injuries. This crash brings up a serious safety concern, mainly because the vehicle in the crash was a Tesla Model Y. Tesla vehicles have a reputation of being some of the safest automobiles on the market, which is why this scenario really shook up the electric vehicle community. In the video, Tesla Model Y's brake lights were off. A family member of the driver has claimed that the vehicle's brakes were unresponsive. He states that when the driver tried to brake, it just kept going full speed. Tesla has denied that this is what really happened. They claim that the vehicle's accelerator pedal was being pressed for a very long time. Local police force have ruled out that the driver was under the influence of any sort of substance. The crazy part is this is not the first time Tesla's been accused of brake failures. There have been many such incidents so far. Do you think Tesla needs to have a serious look at what their braking system is? Let us know in the comments.